So guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back guys. Today we will be doing Jamaica's national dish, and Jamaican national dish is ackee and saltfish. So I'm here. I already start cleaning my ackee. So this is the ackee with the seed on, and I will be cleaning this, and then it will look like this from that to this. So guys, I'm gonna continue to do this and then I'll get back to the video. Stay tuned. So guys, here is my saltfish, and this is the saltfish fillet. So I have a pack. I am not going to use the entire pack. So what I'll be doing now, I'll be rinsing this in some water, and then I'll put it to boil. I'll allow it to boil like for a minute to get rid of the excess salt. So stay tuned for that. Moving it, and I will be adding the ackee to the same water. So guys, at this point my ackee is ready. So I'll be removing them and straining the water from it. So guys, stay tuned because the process isn't finished as yet. So guys, I'll be using my hands to break my saltfish into pieces, or you can also use a fork, whichever suits you best, but I'm using my hand to ensure that there is no small bones, because I have to give kids to make sure. So guys, you don't want it too small. So guys, this is it. This is the size that I want them. So we will move on to our seasoning. So guys, these are all my season that I will be using. This is bell pepper, this is tomato, onion, and garlic. So these are all the season that we will need. I will be using thyme also. So guys, here I have a pot with oil, and this is already hot. So I will be adding some seasoning to this, my onion and all. So guys, I'll allow this to saute. Then we will get back to the video. So guys, my onions and sweet peppers are ready. So I'll be adding to this my saltfish. So I still have like some big chunks, just breaking those. So guys, now we'll be adding our ackee. Guys, look how beautiful this looks. So guys, I'll be adding some thyme leaves to this. Not a lot. And also I'll be adding some white pepper. That's some white pepper, guys. Now we combine this together. And there you have it, guys. This is Jamaica's national dish, ackee and saltfish. Guys, you can eat this with whatever you want. I'll be eating this with green bananas. So yes, guys, this is it. Guys, if you enjoy watching this video, please like, leave me a comment, subscribe if you're not yet a subscriber. And guys, until the next video, bye bye.